Vastram is with its beautiful budget-friendly semi-organza silk sarees with nice kanchi style border, meenakari woven body and completely zari woven buttas all throughout. Very beautiful collection. This is priced at 2,800. I think we have around 18 to 20 pieces available. Links will be provided for you to make the payments. Once payment is done, then you can once you click on the link, you can go for the payments. Okay, so that is the saree number one. Nice maroon color with a red color border. It's a semi organza transparent material, very thin and classy collection. Nice rich pallu. That's the pallu for the saree. The entire saree is like this, double sided border. Wow, look at the Meena work done all throughout. Very pretty collection. Highlight is the palla, okay? Pallu, and the blouse is also brocade. It's got a nice brocade blouse, very classy collection. The entire sari has got Meenakari buttas. The border here is this, okay? These are not damages. This is how the weaving itself has happened. These are power loom saris, okay? And the whole sari is so classy. Nice Meenakari work done buttas. We do all the videos, we do checking and then ship. So no need to worry about the quality of the product. If at all there is any issues, the video can identify. It's well packed. Be very careful when you open the packing, because many a time customer, when they open the parcel, they tend to do some damage to the product and ask us for an exchange. No, we do have videos for all the products that we are doing, and those videos can talk as a proof for you. Such a beautiful collection. As I told you, the weaving over here looks a bit distorted. Doesn't mean it's a damage. That's how the weaving itself has happened in the sari. That's sari number one for you. Pretty collection. The tassel is never to be missed. Very beautifully tassel done, and an exactly traditional color combination of maroon with red combination. Sari number one. Sari number two is a peacock green color, very beautiful color. This is also a tassel well done, red color pallu, and a brocade blouse in the pallu color itself. And 2,800. Wow, look at the color. When they turn around, you get to see the actual color. That's the blouse, brocade blouse for the sari. Beautiful collection, tassel beautifully done. Turn around the sari. That's the color of the sari. My goodness, it's so beautiful. Sari number 2, peacock blue with double sided border, 2,800. Link number 2 will buy you with sari number 2. Now comes sari number 3, which is a color difference, design different, baby pink tassel done, well finished, rich pallu, and a very beautiful open one. All these have a brocade blouse. This has got blue color brocade blouse, I think. Yeah, that is the sari for you. Yeah, that's got double-sided border. Let me concentrate on the border also. Very pretty. Wow, the blouse color is nice blue, nice bluish, peacockish blue, and the body is baby pink, completely embroidery done. Weaving done all throughout with the Meena work. Classy collection. Look at the beauty of the sari. It's very beautiful and classy. Kind of a blue color border to it. Okay, purplish blue. Beautiful. Sari number 3. Link number 3 will help you buy this sari. Okay. Now comes sari number 4, which is orange, and the butta is also very different. Very beautiful color. This is also a orange, which is dark, and a nice sea green color. Blouse blouse is a green color brocade blouse, which is very interesting. Dual tonish blouse this is got, and the tassel well done. That's the whole sari body. And you'll have to open the sari, that's the orange color sari, and the entire sari opens up to be this. It's a dark orange. Look at the work over there. Sari number 4. Sari number 4, which is orange, and a nice Meenakari work done body. And that's the entire sari for you. Isn't she so different and pretty classy? Yes, that is collection for you, budget friendly, 2,800, classy collection. Now comes sari number 5, which is sari number 5, a color so fresh and interesting, a cement color with green color pallu, and border, and a brocade blouse as such. All the saris are with blouse in a very classy collection. These are semi organzas. That's the blouse of the sari. Organzas are thin materials and they are very light and easy to carry collections. Very beautifully done. That's the pallu. The whole body opens up in a greenish grey and completely meenakari flower bunches done all throughout. Very pretty collection. You will love them when you get them in hand. As I very clearly told you, we've been doing all the checking part here, so you don't need to worry about the quality and the this. This is eye number 6, which is a kind of a yellow, sandal yellow, light lemonish green and yellow mix. Beautiful pastel tone this is. The pallu is so rich and classy. Every sari is a masterpiece by itself. Look at the pallu. That's the blouse. Very beautiful blouse given for it in brocade. You can go in for any black blouse, will also look nice. Or if you have an elephant grey blouse, that will also be very perfect match for it. If you don't prefer to go for a brocade blouse. Otherwise, the blouse along with the sari itself is very classy. This is sari number 7, Amma. 6. Sari number 6. Sari number 6, a kind of lemonish green and yellow mix with a grey. Now comes sari number 7, which is a grey with pinkish red combination. That's the whole sari. Nice meenakari flower work done all throughout, completely woven. Classy collection. That the other part here, the blouse has come, so the color is a bit different, but the actual color is grey. This is the color, body color. That's the blouse of the sari. And that's the entire sari for you. Beautifully done. Classy collection. Yeah, that's sari number 7, Amma. 7 for you. Now comes sari number 8, which is a light grey, I don't know, bluish grey. This is very different pastel tone. Beautiful tones of pastel shades this time. Brocade blouse. Wow, look at the color over there. So pleasant and soothing to the eyes. And the border is interesting. Blouse is even more interesting. That's the blouse of the sari. Very classy. Tilakam butta kind of this. This is the whole body color. Tassels well done. And the whole body is so elegant and classy. Beautiful collection. All these videos that we are making, the product is with us and it will reach you safely very soon. Okay, sari number 8. Now comes sari number 9. 9 Nanepa. 9, a color again very sandlish color and a pastel tone. A little difference of each tone is there, which we don't have the name for the tone. Wow, this is also a very beautiful sari, and the palla is that rich. That's the blouse of the sari. Border is very interesting. That's the sari for you. Sari number 9, which is a very beautiful color of beige. Gold and beige combination, pink flower. A pink blouse will also be a beautiful alternative for this. Okay, so that's sari number 9 for you. Now comes the last sari of this set, sari number 10, which is black, which a lot of people love. Black can never go wrong. It's a beauty. It's called a black beauty. 2,800. Link number 10 will buy you this sari. Nice, beautiful, very beautiful sari this is. And that's the pallu, that's the blouse, this is the body, that's the entire sari for you. A brocade blouse given for these semi organzas from Banaras, which is so classy and interesting. So that's the sari for you. Hope you like this collection of a budget friendly for the month of August. We're coming up with more interesting salwar sets, chanderi, dress materials, kanjivarams, organzas, what more, many welcoming August with a very warm and happy heart. We are at Vastrum working hard for you and giving you the best of collection. Happy shopping.